9 Yoga Asanas poses to help you weight lose fast. In today's time, many people associate yoga with the physical practice, which are a series of postures often sequenced together in various styles. You can lose belly fat with the help of yoga. A 20-minute yoga session will help you lose weight. Yoga is a workout that can be practiced any time of the day. Yoga is an effective weight loss tool, and when combined with healthy eating can show positive results. The amount of weight one loses by doing yoga varies from person to person and depends on a number of factors including their flexibility. Practicing yoga regularly can also calm you and improve your mental health. This leads to more mindful and healthy food choices, which directly aids in weight loss. The discipline has 5 basic principles: exercise, diet, breathing, relaxation, meditation. 1. Plank pose. Plank pose is the best way to strengthen your core. As simple as it looks, its benefits are immense. It is only when you are in the pose that you start to feel its intensity on your abdominal muscles. 2. Warrior pose. Toning your thighs and shoulders, as well as improving your concentration, has become easier with the warrior pose. The longer you hold that pose, the better the results. With just a few minutes of warrior pose, you will get tighter quads. Warrior pose is made to improve your balance along with toning your back end, legs, and arms. It also helps to tone your tummy and give you a flat belly if you contract your abdominal muscles while you hold the position. 3. Triangle pose. The triangle pose helps to improve digestion as well as reduce the fat deposited in the belly and waist. It stimulates and improves blood circulation in the entire body. The lateral motion of this pose helps you burn more fat from the waist and build more muscles in the thighs and hamstrings. It also improves balance and concentration. 4. Downward dog pose. Downward dog pose tones your whole body with a little extra attention to specific muscles. It helps to strengthen your arms, thighs, hamstring, and back. Holding this pose and concentrating on your breathing engages your muscles and tones them, as well as improves your concentration and blood circulation. 5. Shoulder stand pose. Shoulder stand pose comes with multiple benefits, from increasing strength to improving digestion. However, it is best known for boosting metabolism and balancing thyroid levels. Shoulder stand pose, or the shoulder stand, strengthens the upper body, abdominal muscles, and legs. It strengthens the respiratory system and promotes sleep. 6. Bridge pose. The bridge pose improves muscle tone, digestion, regulates hormones, and improves thyroid levels. It also strengthens your back muscles and reduces back pain. 7. Twisted chair pose. The twisted chair pose is also called the yoga's version of the squat. But you must know that it is a little more intense and tones the abdominal muscles, works the quads and glutes. The pose also supports the lymphatic system and the digestive system. 8. Bow pose. 9. Sun salutation pose. The sun salutation pose does more than warm up the muscles and get the blood flowing. It stretches and tones most of the major muscles, trims the waist, tones the arms. It stimulates the digestive system, and balances the metabolism. Thanks for watching.